Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add back shadow to your text in Canva. So let's get started. So currently I'm having here a text over here. So first thing, just click on your text, and if you don't have a text, go to the text option and just click on add a heading. You'll be getting that. I'm already having, so let me just now delete this. So just click on your existing text, and here you'll be having something called as effects. Just click that, and in the effects here you will be having something called as shadow. Just select that, and you'll be getting multiple options like offset, direction, blur and transparency. So in most of the cases we want like a black color shadow, or in case if you want any color of the shadow, just click on this color. And I want a black color shadow, so I'll just click on this black over here. So now you can see I'm getting a black shadow there. And if I just minimize it, and if I change the offset, this basically changes the distance of the shadow. Here you can see, right, it gives a new dimensional view of our shadow. Let me just have this way, and this is a direction, so basically we can change it, left, right, top, bottom, depending upon the number that we are specifying over here. And next is a transparency. So this is basically the thickness, if you want it dark or light. So if you go with 0, it will be completely nothing, and if you go with the higher value, the more darker our shadow gets. And this is blur, which is basically like blurring our shadow, so it gives us a cool shadow effect over there. And I will have something like this. Yeah, this looks great, to be honest, this blur effect. So this is it, guys. This is how you add shadow to your text in Canva. So do check the playlist of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.